Start the concept of removal of brackets. I have written note here, listen carefully. In removal of brackets, operations within the bracket are performed before the operation outside it. Example: 4 within bracket, small bracket, 4 multiplied 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. So what we to do? First we multiply 3 and 4, that is inside the bracket. 3 4s are 12 we get. Second step, we shall divide the, what we divide here? We shall divide this 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12, so obtain 6 is your required answer. The rule, what is rule? I would like to repeat again. In removal of bracket, first we simplify the bracket before doing the further operations. That is written here. The removal of bracket operation within the bracket are performed first the operation outside the bracket. First we simplify bracket, then outside the bracket simplify. Clear? Let's take one more example. Excuse me. 52 divided by within bracket 13 into 2. So what we to do? First we have to simplify the bracket here. 13 2 ja 26. Now what to do? Let's divide 52 by 26. So 26 1 ja 26, 26 2 ja 52. So we have got 52. So obtain is the required answer. Now note down this point, boys. See, whenever a number is written just before a bracket with numbers inside the bracket and separated by plus or minus sign, the bracket is removed, and at the same time each number inside the bracket is multiplied by the number outside it. You try to understand this. What is this? With the example you clear it. I'm giving one two example to clear this concept. Excuse me. If number is 5 and inside bracket we get the x minus y, so what we do? First we multiply inside the bracket by this 5. So we get 5 into x minus 5 into y, and that is 5x minus 5y. One more example. Minus 5 outside the bracket. So what is there? See, outside the bracket you have find no sign, means plus sign. It means the inner sign of the bracket must not change. Only we have to simply multiply the number inside the bracket. So that we have done. 5 we multiply each of the terms x and y. So what we have got after solving? 5x minus 5y. It's clear? Now second one. If outside the bracket is a minus sign and then we multiply inside the bracket, say minus 5 multiplied by x plus y minus 3. So what we have? Inside we multiply the number, and inside sign of each the terms will be changed. It means no sign is plus sign, so it is earlier plus. Let's change the sign, so it become minus. And as per the multiplication rule, minus plus minus also, and now multiply by the number 5x. Here 5y plus minus minus, so we have got minus 5y, and minus minus plus plus 15. The two ways I have told you. One is directly, you can note down like this. Outside the bracket, if minus sign is there, inner side should be changed, and we have to multiply each of the term inside the bracket by that number. So number here is the 5, So we are multiplying by 5 to each of the term. So 5, what we get? 5x, 5y and 5 to 15. Inner sign should be changed. Earlier it was plus, so it become the minus. So minus x. Then this was plus, so it will be minus 5y, and then it is minus, so it should be plus 15. Now, in a complex expression, many types of brackets are used. The most commonly used brackets are, I would like to discuss to this. So, let's start it. These brackets are a small bracket, this is symbol, and this is the bracket symbol, and this bracket name. So small bracket, this is symbol of small bracket, this is the symbol of curly bracket, this is the symbol of a square bracket, and this is symbol of the vernaculum or the bar bracket. Now, when we solve the sum, what we should do, that we shall now discuss. Before that, I tell you, these symbols clear. First symbol is of a small bracket, or parenthesis also we say to this. Second one is the curly bracket. Third one is the square bracket, and fourth one is your vernaculum. That's called the vernaculum also bar bracket. Okay. Now, note the rules related to this that I am going to discuss.